Hello students, in this video I will teach you that how you can embed a PDF file in your WordPress website. So we will add a new page. Title I will make like CV of Embed. Download my CV here. So the first option, you can upload the CV and users of your website, they can download that PDF file. So you can add a block here. You can see here in common blocks there is file option, or even you can search also file, upload, and now publish this page. So if we view the page now, you can see users can download CV from here, PDF file from here. So you can see it has been downloaded. And the second option, you can install a plugin. So plugins, add new and search here. Embed PDF viewer, this is by Andy Fragan and 3000 active installations and compatible with the latest version of WordPress. So you can install this plugin. After successfully installation of this plugin, we can activate this plugin. Now we will go back to that page. So we will go to all pages section, and then we will edit that page. And here now you can click on add blog and you can search here PDF. So embeds PDF option is appearing here just because of the plugin which we install and activate. And now you can, because we have already uploaded the file, so it's in our media library. So you can click on media library and from here select. You can see the PDF file is here. If you want to edit, you can even edit. Then click on update. Now if we will refresh the page, so you can see users can now download as well, they can view the PDF file here in your WordPress website page. So this is the way, this is the method, like how easily we can embed a PDF file in our WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new thing and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you very much once again.